Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will explain manufacture air conditioning duct. When we want manufacture duct, sometimes we need to make connection between two bases like this. So we should to install this connection like this for close air, not allow air go outside. We should to use masking tape like this. Okay. We should to put silicone like this between two pieces. This keep all the air inside, not allow this air go out, and bring cut piece like this to close one by one base. This foam also like masking tape, like glue. We have one like cover, we remove cover and we use this like glue to fix between two bases like overlap. As we see in this video, we remove this cover and another base, this like glue. Okay. Like this. In our channel, we try to upload more knowledge about everything for construction job. And we try to help all people can be manufacture anything by handmade. We show you now how we close or how we make overlap between two pieces in the duct for air conditioning. Must be closed like this. For all side we make connection. Then we are going to use masking tape for more close. We uploaded video. We explain how we make the opening in the duct, but this here will show you how we close around the connection in the duct. We'll upload more video for air conditioning system. And also we will show you how we install AC air condition. Now we start to use masking tape for close around all bases. We already fixed this in the duct for more close like this. This is our technical way to close this air conditioning. If you like this video, please support our channel for more knowledge about construction job. And if you want anything, we can make video to explain for construction job. You can write this on the below for comment. I hope you enjoy in this video and you get some knowledge about construction job and some skills how to rectify around the connection for air conditioning. Have a nice day.